Hi, my name is Ms. Berg, and I am your art teacher at Lincoln Meadows. In art, we'll do creative problem solving, thinking like an artist, and exploration of art through art history. Of course, art will also include painting, sculpting, and creating. So excited for this year.
Hi, I'm Miss Berkmeyer. Here's a little preview of the things that we'll be doing in music this year. Starting with rhythm skills, keeping a beat, reading rhythms, how to play instruments respectfully, and note reading skills in the treble clef. We'll use instruments like recorder in 3rd and 4th grade, boom whackers in all of our grades, and ukulele in 5th grade. Looking forward to a wonderful musical year with all of you.
Hi everyone, it's Coach McGarva. Looking forward to another fun year in PE. We're working on health and fitness, hand-eye coordination, locomotor skills, as well as kicking, striking, volleying, throwing, and catching, teamwork and sportsmanship, and character building.
Hello, my name is Mr. Martin, and I teach the technology specialists here at Lincoln Meadows. This year, we'll be learning computer basics, how to stay safe while using the internet, learning and demonstrating appropriate digital citizenship, as well as using Microsoft Office, including Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, coding using code.org, and we'll continue to practice and develop our typing accuracy and speed skills using Keyboarding Without Tears and Learning.com's adaptive keyboarding. Look forward to a great year!
Hi there, my name is Miss Ham, and I teach enrichment to the kindergartners. Now, enrichment is a culmination of teamwork, movement, and artistry. And we achieve those things through individual expression, theater basics, and storytelling.